Hi, I'm Mark Granberry, President of GSG, and I want to talk to you today about the raw material shortages and product shortages that we're experiencing in our industry. Many of our manufacturers are having issues getting product or getting raw materials from their manufacturers, which is causing them to not be able to make product and causing delay and stockouts of products that we normally would always have in stock. Many of them are on allocations from their raw material manufacturers, and they're also allocating product to us. And most of the time it's much less than the demand we have for the products. Getting good information about when these raw materials will be in or when products will be to us is spotty at best, because they don't always know when they're going to have raw materials to be able to make those products, and so they have trouble being able to communicate back to us when we'll get product from them. Making this worse is freight costs are rising at a tremendous rate, mainly because of driver shortages and also because of overseas costs. A container to ship from overseas used to be about $2,000 and now it's about $35,000. Because of these raw material shortages or raw material demand being higher or greater than supply, along with labor costs going up, along with freight costs going up, prices of products are increasing. Many of the manufacturers we represent have had at least 2 price increases this year. So what we're doing to try to mitigate some of this is, one, when we get price increase notifications from our manufacturers, we notify our customers via email of those price increases. We also let our sales reps know that prices are going up. Not all distributors notify their customers of price increases, and you may feel like you're inundated from us with these emails, but we feel it's important to let you know that prices are going up. Our sourcing folks are working double time to try to find product and or substitute products where we just can't get product from the manufacturer. Our sales teams are also working to try to figure out substitute products, or will a different product work for whatever you need to try to make sure you can satisfy your customer needs. And our operations teams are doing what they always do, which is continue to try to make every order accurate and as on time as we possibly can. Sometimes we're not able to do that just because of timing of when we get product in and so forth, but I can assure you that we're busting our tails to try to do that for you every day. The one other thing we're doing is we're not allowing businesses that have never bought from us or have bought very little from us to all of a sudden place large orders for product that they never ordered from us. We feel it's important to protect that inventory for customers like you that have been buying products from us in the past, and we want to make sure that we can satisfy your supply needs and not take on a lot of customers that we don't know. Because you've been loyal to us, we want to be loyal to you. These are challenging times for everybody, and I don't think it's going to get any easier or any better in the near term. I think this will last, from what we're hearing and seeing, that it's going to last into 2022, deep into 2022. So you need to be prepared and know that lead times and so forth can change daily as we try to navigate these pretty choppy waters of supplies. But I do want to make sure that we'll continue to keep you informed. We'll continue to let you know as soon as we know and have information about products. And we thank you for your business and appreciate your support. Thank you.